Hey folks, working on this 34 Ford gas tank. This is an original gas tank here, and it's rusted out. We were gonna fix it, but you can't. It's just rusted out, so it's too bad. So we're replacing it with this new tank here. However, I guess you can't get an original tank anymore. You get this thing here, which is fine. It's going to fit. Looks just fine. But it's got modern day holes in it. This is for a sending unit. This is for the fuel pickup. And they send you this, which is fine. Most people aren't putting originals back in anyway, so this goes in there like that. And this is for fuel injection too. You can use return line. This is the inlet. This is return. This is vent. However, we want to use the original. This car's all original, so we want to use the original gas gauge, which uses air pressure. As you fill the tank up, air pressure moves this red liquid that's in the gauge on the dash. And I didn't think I'd be able to get it to work, but I'll be darned. Before we had this tank issue, I actually got it to work. It shocked me. And it works fine, so we'd like to keep that. However, and another thing, this has hard lines going to it, where the other one has the rubber. The holes don't line up. The bolt circle's too big on the on this tank here. So what I think I'm going to do, I actually found a washer I had laying around that actually goes on here, right up here. And so I don't have to make anything. At first I was just going to put some JB Weld around here, which I still might do before I do this. And then I'm going to I already got it center punched on this one anyway. This actually fits just fine. This will go there like this. And it covers up the holes on the new tank. Just barely. That's why I think I might, put some JB Weld in those holes. But anyway, that's going to work fine. What I'll do this is about 1/4-20. I'll drill this out with a number 7 drill, tap it out 1/4-20, make some gaskets, put a little Ockenpucky on there, and I've already checked, not specifically for this washer because I didn't have it over there where the car is, but there is plenty of room between the floorboard, well, it's a rumble seat, and in the tank. So with this being sitting up proud like that, it's still going to have clearance. I got a video of getting that old tank out and having it cleaned up and everything, and but it's been sitting now for, I don't know, a couple of years since I did that video. I think, I don't know, and so it's pretty crusty in there. Anyway, that's the first video on this. I think I'll make a few more videos on this, drilling these holes out and things. It's going to be a bit of a chore, it's tough to get those just right sometimes. I'll be real careful and try to get it right the first time. I do have a number of these washers, so if I screw one up, I got another washer. So anyway, Thanks a lot for watching. See you later. Bye.